alcohol phenol ether chapter, now this is the next chapter. And in this, you have to distinguish between the following types of alcohol. For example, we have CH3, CH2, CH2OH. This is known as primary alcohol. Next, we have CH3, CHOH, CH3. This is known as secondary alcohol. And the lastly, we have tertiary alcohol. Okay, now the question says that how to distinguish between the following. So the test we have to perform, that is known as Lucas test. That is known as Lucas test. We have the Lucas test in which we have to take the equimolar quotient of HCl and ZnCl2. So what happened? I am going to apply this reagent in primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. So what happened in all these parts? The reagent will remain same, but the nature of alcohol is different. Here it is primary alcohol, here it is secondary, and in the third part this is tertiary alcohol. So in this, the turbidity appears on heating. हम हीट करेंगे, turbidity आ जाएगी. Fine. हम यहाँ पर क्या करेंगे? Turbidity appear after 5 minutes, and in this turbidity appears immediately. So we have to remember the Lucas test for the different nature of alcohol, primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. We have to apply Lucas test in all the three parts. So what happened in primary alcohol? The turbidity appear only with the heating. Here turbidity appear after 5 minutes, and in the tertiary alcohol turbidity appear immediately. Is this part clear? Now in this chapter we have one more distinguished test, that is known as the distinguish between phenol and the benzoic acid. Benzoic acid is from another chapter, but I am going to take up with this chapter only. So here the next part, the distinguish between phenol and benzoic acid. So we all know this is known as phenol and this is known as benzoic acid. Benzoic acid, when this benzene contain acid group, so it is considered to be benzoic acid, and when this ring contain OH, it is known as phenol. Got it? So in this I am going to apply NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate. But I am going to apply sodium bicarbonate, and it will give the brisk effluence. That means here I am going to have a brisk effluence of CO2 gas. यहाँ क्या मिलेगा? Brisk effluences आ जाएंगे किसके? Carbon dioxide के. Whenever I am going to take benzoic acid in a test tube and I am going to apply sodium bicarbonate in it. So what happened? Main thing is you have to write the brisk effluence of the carbon dioxide. Here we have to give ferric chloride test. It is known as ferric chloride test. What happened when I am going to introduce phenol with ferric chloride? It will give us violet color. क्या मिल जाएगा मेरे को? Violet color. In distinguish, you have to mention the change in the color. This is very, very, very important. If you are going to write phenol with ferric chloride, you will write violet color. When you write sodium bicarbonate, you must mention carbon dioxide. That means brisk effluence. So this is the main distinguish between the phenol and the benzoic acid. Now, next part. Next chapter is aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. So